previously Java had a terrible API when working with dates, but since then they've made lots of improvements, and there are a couple of classes that we can use to work with dates. So one of them, which I'm going to show you right now, is the local date. So we have local date time. So local date time comes from java.time.local date time. So this is the class name. And in it, we have a method called dot. We have a method called now, of, parse, so on and so forth. So if you want to parse a string, for example, you could basically give it a string and then it will convert that string to a date. But in here, let me just say now. So this local date time represents the local date time where I'm in. So if I save this to a variable, I'm going to call it now equals to local date time dot now. If I print this, I'm going to say now in here and run it. You can see that this is the current time. So December 2022, and here you can see the time and milliseconds. So local date time. So this class actually doesn't contain any information about the zone or anything like that. It's just giving me the current local date and time from where my machine is currently running. If I collapse this, with this class now, we have available few methods. I can say now dot, we can get the month. We can also get the day of the year, day of the week. So day of the week. And if I keep on exploring, so let me just say south in here now dot. And the cool thing here is that you can get the zone, you can compare two dates, you can get the hour if you want, you can get the minute. So get hour, get minute, and I think there's a get second as well. So second, there we go. And I'm not going to basically explore everything because I'll leave that up to you to explore all the methods, but you can check whether a date is after another date, whether it's before. So I'll show you this in a second. You can subtract a date. So minus days, for example. So minus 5 days. And if I say now dot, and you can see that there's a bunch of methods here that we can use. So you can say plus seconds, plus weeks, plus years, plus nanos, toString, until, with. And basically, I encourage you to go and read what all of these methods do, because they allow you to work with local date time. So here, if I run this, you can see that we have local date time, March. So March was month, day of the year, so 68, Wednesday, day of the week, 10 is the hour, minute, 24, second, 50, and the other one was now minus days. So here, this will be the 4th. So currently it's the 9th minus 5 days, then it's the 4th in here. So this is how to work with local date time. Next, let me show you yet another way that we can work with dates.